Hey there folks, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go there, check it out, but not right now. You're going to want to stick around and check out this new product that I'm going to do a review for you on today. It's called Polaris. It is a automatic funnel software. It's a pretty cool product. It has some limitations, but for what it is, it's a great tool, and I think you'll be interested in it. So stick around. You're going to want to take a gander at how it works and everything that there is to know about it. I'm going to share that with you. First, we'll go over the bonuses that I have for you, and then we'll kind of get into the product and check it out, and then we will go over the pricing funnel, and then we'll wrap it up and send you on your way. So, we are on my bonus page. This is the bonus page. These are the big blue buttons you're going to want to click on. But first of all, the link to this page is down in the description below. Click on that link, go to this page, click on a blue button, pick up your copy, and it's going to make your affiliate marketing business a whole lot easier. Let's get into some of the bonuses I have lined up for you, but you're not going to want to go away after I share them with you because you're going to want to take a look at this product. This is a pretty cool product. So let's peruse on down, take a gander at the bonuses we have for you, and then we'll take a look at the product inside and see how it functions, and then you can make a decision on whether you want to pick it up. I don't think you're going to want to pass this one up. So anyways, bonus number one. This is access to not my DFY campaigns, but Jonno Armstrong's, and his name are on these bonuses because I'm a member of the Ministry of Freedom. This is his high-ticket training course that I'm a member of, and he provides these bonus pages and the bonuses for us to be able to offer to you if you purchase via any of the links on this page. And the links, like I said, are these big blue buttons, and you click on those, it's going to take you over to the sales page where you can pick your copy up and get all these great bonuses. So like I said, the first bonus is access to 365 days worth of done-for-you campaigns. Bonus number two are 30 high-quality bonuses that you can give away. And you can use these to help build your list and get more people interested in some of the products you might be promoting. And people always love bonuses. That's what it's all about, right? The guy with the best bonuses wins, usually. Hopefully these you will find attractive, and you will go ahead and click on one of these big blue buttons and go purchase a copy today. Bonus number three is access to Jonno's Launch Jacker course. This is a course that he goes over kind of how to do launch jacking, which is similar to what we're doing right now. We're doing a review video and kind of jacking the launch and trying to steal some of that traffic. And we're not really stealing it per se. We're just showing you what the product is and then hoping that the bonuses that we have to offer for you will convince you that you'll want to purchase it from us. Simple. That's how it works. All right, so bonus number four is 4 times license rights from Vanquish. Bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses, and we'll jump over to the sales page. We'll kind of take a look and see what those are all about. And so yeah, there you go. Let's go ahead and check out the vendor bonuses real fast, and then we'll jump into the product. So this is the sales page that you'll come to when you click on any of the blue buttons that I have on my bonus page. And again, the link to that is right down there. Take a look. It's down in the description below this video. Click on it, go to the bonus page, click on the blue button, get you to this page where you can pick up your copy of Polaris before the price goes up, because normally what they do is they start jacking the price up on these things. And one thing nice about this, it's a one-time fee. You get our 100% money back guarantee. It doesn't have all the functionality of some of the other funnel builders, but for just affiliate marketing where you're just kind of trying to capture a lead and direct them to a offer and be able to do this within the constraints of a lot of the advertisers out there, it's pretty nice because you can't send Like Facebook, you can't send straight to an affiliate offer. You have to have a bridge page, and these things fit the bill. It is a typical sales page, so we want to get on down past all this stuff, and we're going to check out the bonuses that are available. All right, so here we are. These are the vendor bonuses that you're going to get from the vendor on top of all the great bonuses I already showed you. And so you're going to get affiliate marketing mastery. So that's your first bonus from the vendor. Your second bonus is double your traffic. You're going to get some techniques on how you can potentially reach a larger audience and get more clicks, shares, and likes, and be able to get more traffic, double your traffic to that affiliate link or to the squeeze page, where you can collect the email address and you can get more eyeballs in front of that offer that you have to promote. Vendor bonus number 3, our Instagram ad success. This is all about learning how to do successful ads on Instagram. So those are the 3 different vendor bonuses that are available, and then add those to the bonuses I've already showed you, and you're going to get a nice bonus package. So let's jump on over into the product and let me show you what it's all about. So this is Polaris. This is an AutoFunnel software. And so what you're going to get all these different funnels that you can use to promote products. And these are all niche categories with funnels built in, and then you can pick top ClickBank products that you can promote straight to a product. You'll still be able to collect an email address, but it's just to send them right over to a specific product. And like I said, you know, with Facebook, they don't want you to link straight to the affiliate product. So when you have this landing page or the squeeze page, it makes for an easier time advertising on Facebook. So you have all these different niches. Let's click on the health niche. And you get all of these funnels that are available, all these templates. So there's a few of them where you have 2 of the same type of product in here. They're just 2 variations of the same funnels. So this is the modern squeeze page for this product. And then if you were to go to the generic style, you can see it's a little bit different. And so the nice thing about this is when you preview the thank you page and you click on this button, you don't have to worry about going and finding these products. You know, some of these products that you get don't have these lead magnets available for you inside the product. You have to go hunt for them, get a link or load a link on a share site or something, so then you can direct your customers to it, or you throw it in the email when you send it to them. The nice thing about these is on this thank you page, you click on this download access and it directs them right to a Google Drive account where these are all stored. And so that's really nice that you don't have to do a whole lot of messing around trying to figure out how to get them or where to find them. It's all right there. Anyways, you've got all these different types of funnels that are available. You can even download the funnel. So right now they are hosted inside this software. And so all of them, you know, whatever you name that campaign, when you share that funnel, the URL is going to look like this. And so that will be your squeeze page. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we just go through. You can actually edit all this stuff, which is nice. You can also edit this stuff. So as you can see, as I edit this text inside this box, it shows up in here. And so then you go to the next step, and there you go. It's all done. Click submit. And the nice thing, that built-in traffic that they're talking about on the sales page is this stuff. So it gives you the ability to share straight to any of your social media accounts. You also have the ability to download the squeeze page, and then if you download it, you can host it yourself on your website. It downloads it into an HTML file, so unless you know what you're doing, I suggest you just utilize the hosting that's provided through this product. So you're able to do, like I said, you can do all these niches. You can do a particular product itself. So these are some of the products that they have. You can also create your own product. So if you wanted to do a new product, you just click on this and set it up. You go to ClickBank or wherever you're getting that affiliate offer from. or that product, and you throw in all the descriptions and set it all up. It's pretty easy. You select the name, a description of the product, you put in an image, you select the category that it's in, you put your link in there, you submit it, and then it becomes a product that you can choose to push out on your thank you page. So you can, when you're editing the thank you page, you can go in and you can pick related products to throw on this page. And so say you throw that in there, and you can see it automatically loads it into that thank you page. And so when your customer, they get this thank you page, they can download the lead magnet that you had, and then they'll also have all these referral products that you can throw on there. So if they're interested, they'll read a little description of what the product is, and if they're interested, they'll click on it and it'll go to your affiliate link, and then you might be able to get some commission from that. So you got a lot of stuff you can choose from, and like I said, it's great for what you need it for. If you're going to create a funnel for your own product and stuff, this isn't the product for you. But if you're going to go out and do just a bunch of affiliate offers and build your list, this is the perfect tool for that. Everything's preloaded. You get all those different affiliate products that you can throw in there and drive traffic to. And then you got all those pre-built lead magnet squeeze pages that all the stuff is preloaded for you. It's just an awesome product for doing that. It comes with a bunch of training. There's this Traffic and Sales Academy, but you have to upgrade to get that. Frequently asked questions and support. One of the drawbacks to this is setting up your autoresponder. So you're limited to just these 8 different autoresponder products. So if you don't currently have an autoresponder, one of these 8 autoresponders, then you can't really set it up inside this product. But they've thought about that, and you can download all the leads that you generate from this as a CSV file, and then you can upload those into another platform that you might be using for your email marketing needs. So there you go. That's Polaris in a nutshell. There's a lot of great features on it, and for what the price is, it's a great tool for affiliate marketing. And I would totally suggest grabbing this up and utilizing it to build a list and maybe earn some commissions along the way, because primarily this is a tool to build a list. You're going to be pushing out all these squeeze pages, trying to collect emails so you can turn around and market to those emails, and then you also have the option of being able to throw some of those products out in front of them right after they get that download of that lead magnet, and then you might earn some commissions off that. But the best thing is that you're going to be able to market to them via email marketing. So let's jump on back over to the bonus page. Let's take a gander at the pricing funnel. So first off, on the front end, you're going to get 20 complete done-for-you funnels. And then if you upgrade to the second one, you're going to get an additional 40. Front end offer, $17. You're going to get access to the Polaris software and the training modules. Upsell number 1 is Polaris Pro Edition. It's $47 or $37 on the downsell. Like I said, you're going to get access to 40 complete done-for-you funnels in top ClickBank niches. And then you're going to get the custom funnels that are hand-picked for the best converting ClickBank products. Get access to the Traffic and Sales Academy, which has advanced Facebook, Google, and solo ads training. Upsell number 2 are DFY campaigns. It's $97. There's a downsell of $67. You're going to get access to the high-ticket ClickBank product funnels. We didn't really quite cover those, but that's another little section that you can click on. And what it is it is directed at higher-ticket products that you can earn a little better commissions on. It also includes the commercial license to Polaris app. Upsell number 3 is high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic. It's $197 or $97 on the downsell. You're going to get access to all of Jonno's 2020 products, including the Lockdown Formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, Vanquish, plus the front end offer access to all his future releases, and a bump to commissions through the funnel when you promote any of Jonno's future products. This is monster. It's a great value, and you're going to be able to reap affiliate profits for years to come. Upsell number 4 are reseller rights. You get to get the reseller's bundle license. It's $197. There is a downsell of $97, so you'll get reseller rights and developer rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. With the dual rights, you're essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a thing. Let's go over the bonuses one more time. So bonus number 1 is access to 365 days of done-for-you campaigns. Bonus number 2 are 30 high-quality bonuses to give away. Bonus number 3 is access to Jonno's Launch Jacker course. Bonus number 4 are 4 times license rights from Vanquish. And then, of course, finally are the vendor bonuses, which we covered when we went over the sales page. There you have it. This is an awesome product. I think it's certainly worth at least the front end offer and the second upsell. You're going to get 60 of those funnels that you can use to get email addresses and use those funnels for your advertising and be able to push traffic to a bunch of different offers, collecting those email addresses along the way so you can market to them in the future, and that's the name of the game. Anyways, if you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up in the comment section below. My name's Darrell Hammond. I appreciate you stopping by. The link to this bonus page that we just went over is down in the description below. Click on it, go to the sales page, and pick up your copy of Polaris before it gets away from you. That's all I got for you today. Go ahead and click like, click the subscription button, ring that notification bell, get notified of any more content that I push out. Reviews on different products and some how-to stuff is coming very soon. And anyways, that's it. That's all I got for you today. You have a great day. And for now, I'll see ya.